So welcome to Detour and follow Instagram for daily MCQs. So today we are going to discuss iron deficiency anemia. Iron deficiency anemia is most common cause of microcytic anemia. So before moving to disease, we are going to look at some basics. So other name of iron is heart of protopyrene, because in mitochondria there are 4 pyrrole rings and iron is localized between these 4 pyrrole rings. This complete structure is called as heme, and heme plus globulin makes hemoglobin. Heme plus globulin makes hemoglobin, and this globin is sent by messenger RNA. Now we are going to look at normal serum levels of iron. So in female, normal serum level of iron is 50 to 170 mg per dl. In male, it is 65 to 175 mg per dl. Now we are going to look at daily loss of iron in male and female. So daily loss of iron in male is 0.5 to 1 mg, which is through fecal matter and sweat and urine. And in female, daily loss of iron is 1.5 mg. In female, 30 to 35 mg iron loss during menstruation period, and 1.5 mg daily by fecal matter and sweat and urine, same as the male. Now 2 forms of iron. The first form is inorganic form. So we get inorganic form iron from plants, and second form is heme form, and we get this from animal products. So heme form has more bioavailability and inorganic form has less bioavailability. Absorbable form of iron is Fe2+, but inorganic form of iron is Fe3+, so it makes more difficult to absorb. Fe3+ has to be converted in Fe2+ by ferroreductase enzyme, and then Fe2+ is absorbed by DMT. So DMT is an enzyme. Full form of DMT is divalent metal enzyme transporter. So Fe2+ is absorbed by DMT. It is exam question. Divalent metal enzyme transporter. Now we are looking at the major sites of iron storage. So macrophages of bone marrow, liver and spleen are the major sites of iron storage. Hepatocytes or liver cells produce a type of protein which is transferrin protein. Function of transferrin protein is to bind with iron in blood. So 1 molecule of transferrin protein can bind with 2 molecule of iron. And 1/3 part of transferrin protein is saturated because it is binded with iron, and 2/3 part of transferrin protein is unsaturated because it is not binded with iron. And please keep in mind that free form iron is dangerous for our body. Now normal TIBC is 240 to 450 mg per dl. TIBC means total iron binding capacity. So if TIBC increases, iron level in serum going to be decreased because iron is binded with transferrin protein. Now clinical manifestation of iron deficiency anemia. First is cholionichia, spoon shaped nails. Second is plantonichia, flat nails. Number 3 is hepatosplenomegaly. Number 4 is pica, a type of eating disorder. Number 5 is Plummer-Vinson syndrome. Now this is very important. So there is a triad. On the top, atopic glossitis. On the right down corner, microcytic hypochromic anemia. On the left down corner, esophagus web. Now esophagus web is characterized with dysphagia, difficulty in swallowing. Other common clinical manifestations are dyspnea on exhaustion, tachycardia, murmur sounds, and tinnitus, vertigo. These are the clinical manifestations of iron deficiency anemia. Now moving to the causes of iron deficiency anemia is most common cause globally is parasitic infection. Hookworm infection. Other name of hookworm is Encyclostoma duodenal, and cyclostoma duodenal. So DOC of parasitic infection or encycloduodenal infection is albendazole. So it is a anthelmintic or anti-worm medication. Other causes of iron deficiency anemia, which are obvious reasons: in decreased intake, GIT problems like peptic ulcer or gastric ulcers because of NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, decreased absorption, increased demand, and increased loss of iron. Now we are going to look at diagnosis of iron deficiency anemia. So confirmative diagnosis evaluation of iron deficiency anemia is serum ferritin test. Serum ferritin test. Other diagnostic evaluation includes CBC, complete blood count, hemoglobin will be decreased, RBC, SCT, hematocrit, MCV, MCH, MCSC going to be decreased. MCSC reflects iron deficiency anemia correctly. Now PBF, peripheral blood film. In PBF we check RBC morphology. So RBC is going to be microcytic hypochromic in iron deficiency anemia. Now we are going to look at some special terms. Number first is anisocytosis, which means unequal size of RBC. Number 2 is poikilocytosis. Number 2 is poikilocytosis, which means variation in shape of RBC. Poikilocytosis, variation in shape of RBC. Now we are going to look at treatment. The priority of treatment is treat the cause and iron replacement therapy. Treat the cause and iron replacement therapy. Example: ferrous sulfate and ferrous carbonate. So iron replacement therapy common symptom is black color stool, which is very normal, so no need of afraid. Elemental iron therapy 1 to 2 mg per kg daily, thrice daily, 3 times in a day for 3 to 6 months. Parenteral iron therapy. Example: iron dextran, ferric gluconate, iron dextran and ferric gluconate used for dialysis patient. And as we discussed earlier, free form iron is very dangerous for our body. Free form iron is dangerous for our body. Now in the case of iron toxicity, we will provide chelation therapy to the patient, and our antidote of iron toxicity is deferoxamine. Deferoxamine is the antidote for iron toxicity. So iron toxicity, it can be the complication of iron replacement therapy. Now some points to remember: iron therapy, while giving iron therapy, we should provide high fiber diet to prevent constipation. So there is a complication of iron therapy is constipation. Most common complication of iron therapy is constipation. And use straw to prevent teeth stain. Teeth stain means black color stools. And number 3 is vitamin C help in iron absorption, like orange juice, etc. Number 4 is do not take iron with antacid and milk. So thank you for watching. Believe in yourselves. Your dreams will definitely come true. Please subscribe.